I got a question for you. What does anybody think about the new moto-e class in MotoGP, the electric bikes that they keep premiering at the beginning of every race? They take it around for a lap, and I don't know. What do you think? I mean, for me personally, I think it's a hard sell. I think part of the thrill of going to the racetrack and seeing live racing is, you know, the sound. I mean, it's just attacking one of your senses at such an impactful level. Like, I mean, it's so loud, it's thunderous. You can feel the bass and the vibration of the engines in the seat as they go by. And I think that the fact that those bikes are so quiet, I mean, they make basically no sound. I mean, just imagine sitting in the stands and you have a pack of these e-bikes going by, and they're just like, you know, it's just like quiet as a whisper as they zip by. And sure, maybe they're you know, they're going to be fast, very possibly, certainly off the line, and who knows. But I think it's going to be a hard sell. I don't know, maybe it'll take some time. Certainly you can't stifle innovation, and electric vehicles are going to play a big role in the future. It's already becoming obvious. But I think that's going to be a hard sell for a lot of racing fans who are used to, you know, just hearing the sound of those, you know, that's half the thrill, honestly, just hearing those engines just scream by. I think it's going to be a hard sell. What do you think? Any other opinions? Am I missing something? Have I left something out that's important? I don't know. I'm not always the smartest guy. So let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. And yeah, we'll see where this goes.